Good morning, Sunday. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us again this morning. Before I get stuck into the questions, I also want to give a big shout out and thanks to the guys here at the Lodge. So we're here down at the Lodge at Glenafric Street in the Gap. If you haven't been down here yet, they have the most amazing coffees, delicious food, and they make the best peanut butter and jelly smoothies. They are my favourite. I have them on speed dial for that drink. So if you haven't been down here yet, come on down. This is an amazing cafe. These guys do some really good work and lovely service too. So, Stephen, how you doing?
Good.
Good. That's good. Shall we get stuck into the first question?
Why not?
Let's do it. So this question is from Claire. Claire asks, is it worth finding an agent through the online portals? How do they work? Good question, Claire. And I'm guessing that's probably come from someone who has been looking at researching, looking to sell soon, and not too sure how the online portals work. So they're all a little bit different, but the majority of them, from what I understand, is that the online portals gain a commission or a fee from an agent that they refer to you, and they also take, I think, something like a subscription from the agent. So they're incentivized by the agent and paid by the agent to advertise their services through them. So it is a little bit biased. That's certainly just my opinion, and I don't think it's probably, for anyone who's searching online for an agent using these, you're probably not seeing all of the agents that are available, but I guess it will also make it easier for you to make a decision too. I personally don't use them, and I think the last time I used them was about 7 years ago, and didn't really have too much success. Found that a lot of money was going out of my pocket, and it didn't really attract the right people to me. So I focus on other things now in my business to find more business and to connect with more people in the community. But certainly that's purely just my opinion on online portals. If you want to know more information, more than happy to give you or answer any questions that you might have. Stephen, any thoughts?
No.
Nothing. Stephen's been very quiet this morning session. You probably haven't had too much to add. Sorry about that.
No.
So anyway, that's all from us. Thank you, Claire, for that great question. Thank you for watching us today. We're certainly going to get a lot on the blooper reel. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Ciao from us. Goodbye.
Sorry.